I feel weird talking to the camera without like a script. And I also feel weird talking to the camera when you're here because I feel like I'm talking to somebody who's not here. You know?
Yeah.
Should I give it a try?
Yeah, let's do it,
Yeah. Well, hello guys. As you may know, we are in lockdown. Here in New Zealand and I guess most places in the world. And due to that, we shouldn't really go outside of the house. But this past few days, I've been actually really liking to do my makeup because I've been recording some videos for the YouTube, the travel videos. And also yesterday and the day before that, Jono and I started doing like some photo shoots. So I've been just doing first my makeup for the videos, but then taking advantage that I do my makeup to take some photos. And today I just wanted to really like take kind of do a vlog. And this is, maybe you know, maybe you don't, but I've never really done vlogs in the past. I really wanted to kind of do some type of vlog for the travels in the South Island of New Zealand, because in Southeast Asia I recorded some stuff at the beginning of the trip, but it wasn't really like a vlog, and I wasn't really like thinking on like that I was gonna put it together for like YouTube or anything. So I didn't really like take anything specific, just like whenever I remember that I had a camera I recorded some stuff. And then in the South Island I did wanted to like start doing vlogs, but then I didn't really like knew how to do it, so I kind of tried the first times, but then I just gave up. And honestly, when you haven't traveled before, and it's kind of like difficult, and then add on that you never have like vlogged or you're not really used to the camera. So I like to think that I'm not scared of the camera, but I'm just not used to it. Maybe I'm a little bit scared, let's be honest. But like, I'm not scared of the idea. But then when I have the camera, I just feel weird. Like, I don't want to talk to the camera in public or be like that annoying person that is like vlogging all the time, or that, you know, like people see and people think like, oh yeah, this person thinks that it's like a YouTuber and like influencer or whatever. And I don't try, like, I don't want to look like that, but I do. Like, then I kind of not regret, but I feel like, oh, I wish I had this like recording from that time. And then I looked through my stuff, and sometimes we didn't even like took pictures or any video at all. So I just wished I was like more confident to just like talk and do whatever I want whenever I want it. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to like start doing this vlog now. Now that we're in lockdown, and actually it's like very popular anyways to do like quarantine with me videos in the days in the life and whatever. So I said I have time to sit down and experiment and to move the camera around, and then also to, I don't know, wanted to experiment more, not just like sit down in front of the camera and like tell the story. And I know people would be like, oh yeah, I mean, you don't really have to do that, like you can experiment anytime. But experimentation takes courage and takes like taking you out of your comfort zone. So I wanted to, like, I already knew that I wanted to try different stuff, but it just takes time and takes, you know, being comfortable in front of the camera to start with, and then you will be more comfortable of doing different type of things in front of the camera, if you know what I mean. So yeah, the point of this that I just said is like, in the whole month of April I didn't do my makeup and I didn't really record until I think the 20th, so like a few days ago. And then this past 4 or 5 days I've been doing my makeup and I've been feeling really, really good. So I don't know, I just realized that it's something nice, that it's nice to experiment and to do stuff even if it's not like for you to go out and whatever. I might do the makeup challenges that I've seen in Facebook, like do your makeup like a princess, or I don't know, different challenges that I've been seeing. Because I don't know if you know, but I really like kind of like artistic, cosplay-y, scenic type of makeup. So it would be nice to try, not just like kind of beauty. Not that I know much about beauty makeup, but just do something more interesting. Especially now because we're doing the photo shoots. I'm gonna use that as an excuse to try new things. Basically that's the point in general of me doing this type of videos, or like just really starting YouTube and everything like at all, is for me to give me an excuse to do things that I want to do. When I was little, I used to really kind of in the same thing, like the times that I would do new things and try new things. For example, I don't know, like painting. I've done murals. I've just really done them, like made murals. How do you say made or done or do?
Made, I'd say.
Whenever I made the murals, it was for like school stuff, so I would use school as like an excuse to do creative things, but I wouldn't really like allow me to just experiment and do things just because I wanted to. And even still now, like I just told you, I'm using the videos and like photo shoots and stuff as an excuse to experiment, but shouldn't be really like an excuse, and like I shouldn't have to like explain and like have a reason to do stuff that I want to do. I should just send it. But that's something that I'm realizing, that with YouTube I have the chance, and actually like even like the pressure, in the sense that like if you really want to like improve, you should like experiment a lot. And especially now in this time of lockdown, I think you definitely should take advantage of that. Cold winds are calling, and the sky is clear and bright. Misty mountains singing, be good, lead me out into the light. I chase the wind and touch the sky. I'm starving. Hungry too, I guess. Oh, it is dead. From the hidden pine trails of the forest, come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come grow in all the riches all around you. and for once never wonder what they were. The strum and the river are my brothers, the heron and the otter are my friends, and we're all connected to each other in a circle, in a hope that never ends. How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue-horned moon. For whether we're white or copper-skinned, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is earth until you can paint with all the colors. Wind, wind,
When?
wind,
When?
wind, windy boy.
What?
Little town, it's a quiet village. Every day, like the one before. Little town, full of little people, waking up to say bonjour, 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 bonjour. There goes the baker with his tray, like always. The same old bread he roasts to sell. Every morning just the same, since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town. I just finished the most wonderful story about the beanstalk and an auger in it. Marie, the baguettes, hurry up! Strange, no question, she's quite distracted, can you tell? Rest of us is bell. Oh, isn't this amazing? It's my favorite part because you'll see, here's where she meets Prince Charming. But she won't discover that it's him till chapter 3. There must be more than this provincial life. She doesn't quite fit in. A beauty but a funny girl, she's really